As for me, I'm just gonna warn to Best Pilsa, Arnel Castillo. Why did you edit the picture of the girlfriend of Carlos Yulo, who was gymnastic? Don't you know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? If Carlos Yulo see this, even that his girlfriend would able to see this in your stupid Facebook post in the Facebook page Best Pills. Remember, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you will get in trouble. And you know what you have done in social media? You post naked photos and videos in Twitter, in X, and then you post in Facebook page the girlfriend of Carlos Yulo, and you put a picture of the face of the girlfriend of Carlos Yulo. Remember, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Carlos Yulo doesn't like that. He doesn't like your attitude. Why can't you just stop being yourself dumb? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You should be ashamed of yourself, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Why are you posting like this? Why are you posting a picture of Carlos Yulo, that his girlfriend? Why did you do that? He can, you remember, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, just like I said before, madidemanda ka pa ng girlfriend ni Carlos Yulo. You know, she can able to sue against you, Best Pills. You remember Chloe? Oh, Chloe is a girlfriend of Carlos Yulo. Oh, she can go to Quezon City prosecutor's office. Oh, she can file the cases against you. Oh, and she will sue against you because there is a lawsuit against you. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Don't you know there is a cybercrime? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. When I just tried to mourn at Kuya Mike Labitag's father with Ate Michelle Macalintal Labitag, and then suddenly this Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, he posts in the Facebook page, you edited your picture of Carlos Yulo, that his girlfriend Chloe. That is really shameless, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. That is really shameless. You have asked you just asked permission from Carlos Yulo's girlfriend. Why you putting a picture on his face? You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, your idol is Paulo Contis is gonna be disappointed at you. Why did you do that, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? Even Carlos Yulo girlfriend named Chloe, you edited that picture. You know, you should be ashamed of yourself, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. For me, you should never drink Milo. That Milo drink, it's endorsed by Carlos Yulo. Oh, you should never drink Milo. Oh, Milo is Nestle. Oh, it's only for sports. Oh, I drink Milo for a couple of weeks. Oh, but me, I never drink Milo. I just stopped drinking Milo. Oh, you know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, I am gonna say to you in the public, why can't you just stop making nonsense in social media? You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, even you, Gina Sejo, you're making a bomb joke in social media. Even you, Jeffrey Asejo. Why both of you are making bomb joke in social media? Why both of you say you want to destroy, you want to bomb Davao City? Why both of you saying in Tagalog, sasabugin ko ang Davao City and Quezon City? Don't both of you know there is an anti-bomb joke law? Jean Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, ah? Don't you know? Even you, G. Macasandil, you're making a bomb joke in social media. You said sasabugin ko Davao City and Quezon City. G. Macasandil, think what you're posting at on Facebook. You know, you call me a GAGO in social media, in the chat, in Facebook, through Messenger. Oh, why are you saying GAGO? G. Macasandil. You're an uncle of Paula Nunez. You should focus with your niece. You know, G. Macasandil, I do not want to tolerate your behavior. Watch your words. I apologize to Paula Nunez already in the public. Oh. And then you, Jean Macasadil, and you're making a GAGO? G. Macasandil, you're the uncle of Paula Nunez. You should focus with your niece who has cerebral palsy. You should never call me GAGO. You know, G. Macasandil, you will get sued also, just like Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, and Jeffrey Asejo. You're uncle of Paula Nunez. Do not say GAGO. Where did you get that word, G. Macasandil? Oh. Where? Oh. You should never say that GAGO. If I read it in the Wikipedia, oh, you search in Wikipedia, G. Macasandil, what is GAGO? Oh, even Joseph Maspinas, you damage his reputation. You involved Joseph Maspinas. Dinamay mo pa si Joseph Maspinas. You know, for me, I'm saying to you, G. Macasandil, why can't you just focus on your nephew? Sorry, not a nephew. Why can't you just focus your niece, Paula Nunez? Oh. You're an uncle of Paula Nunez, G. Macasandil, and you should make a public apology. And you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, and Jeffrey Asejo, three of you just quit on making a stupid bomb joke in social media. And then you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you edited the picture of Carlos Yulo, that girlfriend of Carlos Yulo, named Chloe. You put it a picture of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You didn't learn how to stop. You're acting yourself, you're feeling yourself you are dumb. You're feeling yourself you are stupidity. Why you call yourself dumb? What is dumb? Oh, you're feeling yourself you're dumb. You're really a dumbass. Best Pills. You know, however, you're not always to be a good person. You're really dumb. And that picture, you're not in Japan. You don't have a visa. You don't have a passport. You were in Quezon City, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, you're not in Japan. You're making lots of stories. You're making lies.